When it comes to scaling cell and gene therapies for hundreds or thousands of patients, there's a lot to think about. Things like scientific variables, operational factors, and logistics that can make or break a market debut. Every project is unique, and you need to get it right. That's where we can help. Corning Field Application Scientists work with you to develop a custom scale-up or scale-out process. We listen to your needs, get to know your goals, and think strategically. Field Application Scientists will work with you to help optimize your process development plan. After all, your therapy is going important places. Give it the momentum it needs with expert support from your seasoned field application scientist. We're ready to help. Get started at www.corning.com/celltherapy.